Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was scrolling through my Snapchat memories and saw that 2 years ago I did a kind of purple smoky eye like this, and I thought I would recreate it today now that I am much more experienced and comfortable with makeup. So if you want to know how I recreated this today, then keep on watching. So we're going to begin by priming my eyes like usual with my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot and an M421 brush. Now I'm going to buff this in with my M173 brush. Before we go any further, I'm going to tightline my eyes with a black eyeliner. Dipping into the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette, I'm going to put Virgin right on my brow bone with an M456 brush. Now with an M518 brush, I'm going to put the shade Cone right above my crease. Really blending it in with Virgin. Now dipping into the James Charles X Morphe palette on an M506 brush, I'm going to put the shade Punch Me right underneath Cone. Now I'm going back in with the brush we used for Cone to blend it out. And back in with Punch Me. Now on that same brush, I'm going to go back into the Jeffree Star palette and put Tasty deepest in my crease. Now I'm going to go back in with all the browns until I'm happy with the intensity. Now I'm going to deepen up the crease even more with the black shade. For that I'm going to use Blackout by Urban Decay on an M431 brush. Now I'm going to go back in with that M506 brush with Tasty to blend out the black a little bit. Now I'm going to cut the lid using some micellar water on a Q-tip. Now I'm going to fill this in with my ColourPop concealer on an M421 brush. I think that's the most perfect cut crease I ever made. Now I'm going to mix a little bit of my Makeup of Murder Purple Poison Pigment with my concealer and put that on my lid. Now I'm going to put Bite Me from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette all over my lid. Now I'm going to put black on my outer corner to blend in this purple. Now I'm going to use an M124 brush and put black in my crease. Now going into the Morphe 39S palette, I'm going to put the shade Here For It right on top of Bite Me. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye, and I'll be right back. Alright, let's pause the eyes and start working on the face. First I'm going to prime using my Benefit Professional Primer. Now for foundation, like usual, going in with my ColourPop No Filter Foundation Stick. And I'm going to blend this out with my Morphe sponge. Now I'm going to lightly conceal the highest points of my face using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Now I'm going to set everywhere that we just concealed using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 05. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face using a Morphe M527 brush and the Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder. Now let's zoom in so we can finish off the lower lash line. First I'm going to go back over that eyeliner and our waterline really fast because it kind of went missing when we blended out our foundation. Now I'm going to take a M124 brush with a little bit of black on it to smudge out my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take a M506 brush with all of the browns that we used to blend this out. So I'm going to go in with Tasty and Cone pretty much. Now I'm going to pop on some lashes and I'll be right back to finish off the face. First I'm going to contour using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit and my Morphe E4 brush. Now for blush, I'm going to use the ColourPop Super Shock Blush in the shade Holiday on an M405 brush. Now for highlight, I'm going to use Ethereal from the BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlighter Palette on an M501 brush. Lastly for lips, I'm going to go in with a black liquid lipstick. Alright, here's the finished look, guys. Really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!